Alright guys, how's it going? This is a very quick tutorial today, and it's one of these things you may never ever use. But to be fair, when you do, it certainly does come in handy. And it's called Save System Info. Now just to give you a practical example of why you would use this, let's say we want to see what plugins are enabled. So generally you'll come up to Edit, Preferences, you'll go to Add-ons, you'll change from All to Enabled, and this will show you all the enabled plugins that we have. But there is an alternative method. If we come to Help, Save System Information, and I'll just quickly save it to the desktop, and it basically saves a text file. So we'll save the system info, and we'll open up the text file. Now the great thing about this is, it gives you a lot of details regarding your Blender install. So for example, it'll tell you what branch you're using, it'll even tell you where your files are located, it'll even tell you where your startup scripts are actually located. So if you're ever actually wondering, where the hell did I put something? This is why you would use system info. Now if you scroll down, it'll actually give you a whole bunch of information. So for example here it's got my GeForce GTX 780s x2. So it tells me that I basically have 2 GPUs enabled. And then down the bottom here we have enabled add-ons. And one thing I really like about this is, it actually tells you where the path of the add-on is. So you don't need to go searching in case you put something in a different place. And that's one reason why you would use Save Info. Another reason would be maybe submitting bug reports. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter because I've got no mates, you know what to do. Peace.